ammo. I'm sleeping. I'm sleeping.
Oh, yeah.
I just want to land on his neck. He'll freak out. That's fun, dude.